Hi all you YouTubers, it's the 2-Minute Man back with another 2-minute drill. Today's topic is going to be turn signals. Now, I'm going to do something a little bit different that I don't usually do. I'm going to provide a little bit of an interactive display to kind of make a point, if you will. So, what I want to first show you is this right here. This, take a look, this is what I like to call rocket science. Pretty fancy, hmm? This is what I would like to call a turn signal. The point I want to make here is there is a definitive difference between rocket science and a turn signal. Blinker, 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 blinker. Tomato, tomato, potato, potato. I don't think so. Two separate things. Rocket science, turn signal. So once again, I will reiterate, which if you missed my video on proper English, reiteration is an actual word. I'm going to reiterate or repeat for conversation's sake what we have here. Rocket science. Rocket science. Turn signal. So once again, unless you're Stephen Hawking and you understand rocket science, there should be no confusion. When you make a turn, press the thing down or flip it up so people know that you're turning. Common sense.